So today I'm going to Harvard University. Since I'm here, I have to go there. So here I am. I'm just at Harvard University. It's funny because like growing up we always hear and see in films and TV shows people talk about Harvard. So here I am.
Stress up the groove, the energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you?
I've been walking for like half an hour, and this campus is so big. Like it's basically like this entire neighborhood here. It's like Harvard beauty. Yeah, it's really beautiful here. It feels like you're in London because of the architecture and all the like the bricks and stuff like that. But it was because Boston was colonized by the British like years ago. That's why. But it's really, really, really nice. I'm basically just like walking around the neighborhood here, and you can see over there like it's the main gate of Harvard. So you see like all the bricks in the buildings here. It's pretty cool. So that's over there, like the main building, and since I'm here I'm just gonna like get a coffee and just like sit here and chill.
You're gonna tell me it's your